Welcome back. I got my engines at Flabob Private Airport. Look at that. Got my new go-kart engine, V8 supercharger. That's first single cylinder. My inline 6. Got my 8-cylinder radio. Got an actual piston right here. Connecting rod. Made this Lego camshaft. Got this whole table by myself. Got my piston. Got my 2 small engines, V8s. I got my hit and miss engine. They all run, which is really cool. Got my QR code right there. I got my other ones right there. I got parts, pistons. Check this out, I got a whole table by myself. So I can demonstrate my engines at Flabob Airport. Got a tachometer to measure my RPM. Don't forget to like, sub, and share. Please and thank you. And I'll see you in the next one.